Did you ever see the man before who said he was O'Hearn's lawyer?
Well,
But go ahead, speak freely. This is Mr. O'Connor of the Department of Justice.
no, sir. I never saw Mr. O'Hearn's visit before.
What did he look like?
Well, medium, height, tall, and he had a briefcase in his hand.
Well, you see, Inspector, all I have to do is look for a man of medium height, tall, with a briefcase.
Everybody in that jail must be deaf, dumb, and blind to let a thing like this happen. You can go. That gang's been knocking over small banks all over the city. I arrest one of the mob. Get him identified. I put him in jail. And some killer walks in and murders him. Fine breaks I get.
Your blood pressure, Inspector.
Now, what do you want?
The mayor calling.
More grief. Yes, Macy speaking. Yes, but I realize the light this puts the department in, but I'm doing everything that I can, but now I've got him on my neck.
Hello.
You look like the breakup of a hard winter.
Do I? Well, I feel like it. Move over, will you, Bobby? I couldn't keep my mind on driving after this mix-up.
Why, what happened?
I'll tell you. Hey, we just about have time to meet Kay if you'll step on it.
Where to, the airport?
That's right. Macy's destroyed every lead we were working on. Hello, kid. I'm glad to see you, too.
It's been ages since we've been together.
Seems like it, doesn't it?
And you must be Bobby Reynolds. Alan's written about you so often. Surely not Alan. You mean he put that in writing?
Oh, I may have mentioned it once or twice.
And now I want you to meet a friend of mine, Mr. Jerome Chairman. Jerry, this is my brother, Mr. Alan O'Connor.
How do you do, Mr. O'Connor?
How do you do?
And here's
My co-worker, Miss Reynolds.
how do you do?
How do you do?
And what do you think? He's an author, and he's going to write for the movies. What, no acting?
Well, not yet, but you never can tell.
He was awfully nice to me on the trip.
I've asked Miss O'Connor to have dinner with me tonight. I thought possibly
Couldn't
that...
we all have dinner together, Alan? Just a sort of celebration in honor of our all being together or something.
I guess we could. What do you say, Bobby?
Anytime you mention the word eat, I'm interested.
Well, that's fine.
I don't care what you say. I don't want my picture taken. I don't want my picture taken.
They make a cute couple, don't they?
That sister of mine is a sweet kid, isn't she?
Certainly is.
Oh, have a good time?
Oh, wonderful. Grand answer.
Will you pardon me for a moment?
Carlotti? Sure, I know the place. But did it ever occur to you that several thousand people go in and out of that club?
That's right, Inspector. But does it seem logical that people frequenting expensive night spots and driving a big car would stay overnight in a cheap auto camp and pick up tramps along the way? The bills used in that Lone City payroll were new and came from the Federal Reserve right here in Los Angeles. I've issued a general order to broadcast the serial numbers.
Good. Then all we'll have to do is wait till one of them shows up. I sure hope it's the same mob that I'm after. I'd like to get my hands on them.
You might. You don't work too fast.
out of here.
Shh, be quiet.
But I'm scared.
Don't like that. You'll start a fire. What's this? Club Carlotti. Say, when a thing like this happens once, it's chance. When it happens twice, it's a certainty. Come on, let's get out of here.
All right, boys, you've got your instructions. Just be careful with your guns. My sister may be in there. See what we can find, Tracy.
Come on, let's get going.
Yeah.
Hey, the cops.
Drop that gun.
All right, Turner, that'll be all. All right, Kate.
Well, I guess that's it, Mr. O'Connor.
Did you get Carlotti with him?
No, he isn't here.
Well, I think I know where to find him. Take this man down to headquarters. I'll get there as soon as I can.
All right.
You come with me, Kay.
We'll have a couple of drinks and start it off right.
Well.
I'll get some glasses.
Oh, no, don't bother. I'll get them.
But,
Perfectly all right, I'll get them. Business all wound up?
nothing to hold us up any longer. Well, here's to a big time in Vancouver. With nothing to worry about. Or is there? On second thought, we're leaving right now.
All right. I'll get my hat and bag and gloves and things.
So you're the smart little girl that wanted to be my publicity agent, huh?
You won't get out of this, Carlotti.
Too bad you'll never get the chance to turn me in.
You haven't got the nerve to shoot.
You never made a bigger mistake in your life. This'll be something for the papers, but you'll never write it.
Bobby, are you all right?
Yes, I'm fine. I must say you have the knack for getting places just in time.
What hit me?
Poor Bob. Are you all right?
Twice in the same place. It's not fair. Come on now, let's take a picture.
All right, come on, Bobby.
Okay.
How's that?
Swell. Let's make it exclusive. Nice long kiss.
A what?
You tell her, Alan.
I'll show you. Are you all set?
All set.
Here we go.
I know, and they have a right to find out. But I don't care if they never find out. What do you think of that?
All right, we will find out.
Hold on, Neil. Wait, let's hit the front page. Come on there, Eugene. What do you say, Bobby? Shall we give him a break?
Well, I guess we'll have to.
Anything to oblige.